A very warm good evening to all defense aspirants. I welcome you to the Defense Officers Academy's YouTube channel. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं हम RIMC जून 2022 के मद्देनज़र मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज़ लेकर आए हैं और इससे संबंधित फर्स्ट मॉक टेस्ट हमारे चैनल पर अवेलेबल है जो कि जनरल नॉलेज सेक्शन को कवर करता है। आप यदि चाहें तो उसे हमारे YouTube चैनल से चेक कर सकते हैं। और आज हम बढ़ते हैं अपने दूसरे मॉक टेस्ट की तरफ। बट बिफोर डिस्कसिंग द क्वेश्चंस आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर सम रिजल्ट्स ऑफ आवर एकेडमी विथ यू। इफ यू टॉक अबाउट RIMC December 2021 exam, written exam, we have Pratimindya Pal from Odisha and Senthil Nathan from Tamil Nadu and Kathit Datta Majumdar from Tripura. They qualified the RIMC December 2021 written exam. And if we talk about the RMS CET 2021, then Devansh Kumar Gupta from Uttar Pradesh and Rahul Mishra from Maharashtra have qualified the exam. You can check their testimonials in our YouTube channel. So now let's get started with the mock test, and the first question is, where is the headquarter of ASEAN? ASEAN is Association of Southeast Asian Nation. तो आज आप क्विकली अपने आंसर्स चेक कीजिएगा और दोज हु स्कोर फाइनल स्कोर अपना आप मुझे कमेंट में बता सकते हैं आफ्टर द exam is over. So headquarter of ASEAN is in Jakarta. So option A is right. The second question is, Gyanpith Award is given in the field of, and the right answer is it is given in the field of literature. The third question is, Ambubachi festival is associated with which state? You can take 1 or 2 seconds, then I will reveal the answer. And Ambubachi festival is the festival of Assam. Next question is, granite, basalt and volcanic rocks are the type of. So the right answer is they are igneous rock. The next question is, which of the following is a landlocked country? And the options are in your screen: Egypt, Morocco, San Marino and Brazil. And the right answer is San Marino, option C. Coming to the next question, the Battle of Chausa was fought between, and the right answer is Sher Shah Shuri and Humayun. बढ़ते हैं अपने अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ. Which planet is popular as morning star and evening star? So you can take 1 or 2 seconds. And the right answer of this question is Venus, which is option A. Coming to the 8th question, who was the author of Humayun Nama? प्लीज आप अपने आंसर्स भी चेक करते रहें और फाइनल स्कोर प्लीज कमेंट में शेयर कीजिएगा. सो द ऑथर ऑफ हुमायूनामा इज गुलबदन बेगम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज्ड टू मेजर द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन? एमीटर, पायरोमीटर, गैल्वेनोमीटर और बोलोमीटर. एंड द राइट आंसर इज बोलोमीटर. The next question is, AWACS or AWACS stands for, and the right answer to this question is Airborne System of Control, Airborne Warning and Control System. Coming to the next question, Night blindness caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? And the right answer is option B, vitamin A. 12th question is, who was the first recipient of Paramveer Chakra? And the right answer to this question is Major Somnath Sarma. 13th question is based on intelligence test. If southeast becomes north and south becomes northeast, and all the rest directions are changed in the same manner, then what will be the direction for west? North, south, east and west. Based on this, you can solve the question. I will reveal the answer right now. And the answer to this question is southeast. Coming to the 14th question, it is also based on intelligence test. It is, Ashok introduces Ravi as the husband of the only granddaughter of his mother. Ashok has no siblings. Then how Ravi is related to Ashok? तो अपने अपने राइट आंसर्स हमें भेजिए और जल्द से जल्द क्वेश्चन को अटेम्प्ट करने की कोशिश कीजिए. तो आई विल शेयर द राइट आंसर. द राइट आंसर ऑफ 14 क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन सी, सन इन लॉ. Ravi is related to Ashok with the relation of son in law. Which of the following is a liquid at room temperature? The question number 15. So the right answer is option C, bromine is liquid at room temperature. Apart from bromine, we have mercury also, which is liquid in room temperature, but in the given options, bromine is the right answer. Coming to the 16th question, which of the following metals is the most reactive and stored in kerosene? तो आपको बताना है कि ऐसा कौन सा मेटल है जो बहुत अधिक रिएक्टिव है और जिसे केरोसिन के साथ स्टोर किया जाता है. एंड द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज सोडियम, ऑप्शन सी. 17th क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. पेट्रोलियम इज मेनली अ मिक्सचर ऑफ विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्लास? सो पेट्रोलियम इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑप्शन सी, hydrocarbon. 18th question, a natural gas stored under high pressure is called? So answer of the 18th question is CNG, which is compressed natural gas. It is compressed, that's why it is stored under high pressure. Which one of the following gases is used in combustion? It is very simple question, 19th question, and the answer to this question is A, oxygen. Oxygen is required for any kind of combustion, and if we want to reduce the amount of fire, we should reduce the amount of oxygen supplied to it. Coming to the 20th question, the burning of LPG is an example of, you have 2 to 3 seconds to answer your question. So the burning of LPG is an example of rapid combustion, option A. 21st question is, a temperature at which the substance burns is called? So answer of the 21st question is option A, it is kindling temperature. Coming to the question number 22, which is non-renewable source of energy? Non-renewable source of energy means which can't be reused, or once they are exhausted, the source of energy is ended. We can't get back the energy again. So non-renewable source of energy is option A, natural gas. Solar energy is abundant, wind energy is abundant, and tidal energy is also renewable source of energy. Coming to question number 23, the liquid material is in nucleus is called. So what is the liquid material in nucleus of a cell is called? So the right answer to this question is nucleoplasm. 24th question, the chemical substances which are secreted from endocrine glands are called. What are the chemical substances which are secreted from endocrine glands? And the right answer to this question is B, hormones. Flow of electron is called. The question number 25. So it is also a simple question. So the answer to this question is option C, electric current. Electric current is just a flow of electron. Tap water is a good conductor of electricity while distilled water is not, because what is the reason behind it? You can choose the right option. So the right answer to this question is option number B. Distilled water contains no salt. Because there is no salt in distilled water, it cannot react or conduct electricity through it. That's why it is not a good conductor of electricity in comparison to tap water, which has high amount of minerals or salt. The minerals and salts in water are helpful for flowing current. Coming to the 27th question, the increase in concentration of which gas is not responsible for global warming? 2 or 3 seconds. Then we come to the next question. So the right answer to 27th question is B, nitrogen. Coming to the 28th question, in which year Ganga Action Plan was launched? So it is a factual question. And the right answer to this question is year 1985. Coming to 29th question, the solid and liquid particles dispersed in the air are called. What are the particles which are solid or liquid and dispersed in air? Because they are tiny little particle. So the right answer to this question is C, aerosol. Coming to 30th question, the Bhopal tragedy was caused due to, in the year 1984, a Bhopal tragedy or a disaster occurred in the heart of Madhya Pradesh. What is the reason behind it, or what is the cause of this tragedy? So the right answer is gas leakage in Union Carbide factory. A gas leakage happened which takes the life of many peoples around it. Coming to the 31st question, CISF Raising Day is observed on which date? And the right answer is option number C, option C, 10th of March. 32nd question, where did the 9th edition of India-Sri Lanka bilateral maritime exercise held? So the answer to this question is option B, which is in Visakhapatnam. Coming to question number 33, South African player Chris Morris is related to which sport? It is an easy question if you are a follower of cricket, because the right answer is B, cricket. The 34th question, which layer of Earth's atmosphere consists of charged particle? 34th questions, and the answer to this question is ionosphere. Its name itself reveals, because it has ions which are charged particles. That's why it contains the charged particle and it is a layer of atmosphere. Coming to 35th question, which of the following is an example of folded mountains? So this is again a very simple question, because we have Great Himalayas as an example of folded mountain. Coming to the 36th question, who was the author of Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? And the right answer to this question is the grand old man of India, Dada Bhai Nehruji. He revealed the drain of wealth theory in his book Poverty and Un-British Rule of India. Coming to the 37th question, which of the following is not a UNESCO World Heritage Site? It is an important question. You should know about UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So in the given options, the right answer is option C, which is Pench National Park. Kevladev, Bhimbetka and Kaziranga are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Kevladev is in Rajasthan, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh, and Kaziranga National Park is in Assam. Coming to the 38th question, who won the women's single title in Australian Open 2022? So the right answer to this question is option B, Ashley Barty. After 44 years, an Australian player won the Australian Open, and she is Ashley Barty. 39th question said, in which year World Food Programme awarded with Nobel Peace Prize? It is a factual question. If you don't know, take a guess. And the right answer to this is year 2020. Coming to the 40th question, in which year South Africa joined the BRICS? In which year South Africa joined the BRIC, resulting the change in its name to BRICS? So Brazil, Russia, India and China became Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, and the year is 2010. So option A is correct. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization's headquarters situated in which country? Its headquarters in Brussels, which is in Belgium. So D option is the right answer. 42nd question, which of the following is not a fundamental right? Right to life, right to equality, right to property and right to freedom. You have 2 seconds. And the right answer is right to property, which was earlier the part of fundamental right, but it is shifted to the status of legal right after the amendment in the Constitution. Coming to question number 43, who is the Union Minister of Education in India? So the Union Minister of Education is Dharmendra Pradhan, and option B is right. Natya Shastra was written by whom? Question number 44. So Natya Shastra is written by not Charak, not Kalidas, not Charvaka, but Bharat. You can say Bharat Muni, जिन्होंने नाट्य शास्त्र लिखा. Coming to 45th question, in which type of respiration the respiratory substrates are oxidized into carbon dioxide, water and energy in the presence of oxygen? So what kind of respiration is it? And the right option is A, aerobic respiration, because it involves the presence of oxygen. Coming to 46th question, when is the Earth Day celebrated? Quickly answer. So Earth Day is celebrated on, you should know it, 22nd of April. So option B is right. What is the full form of ISRO, which is also known as ISRO? It is very easy question, so we don't take much time on it. And the answer to this question is Indian Space Research Organization, which is option B. Which of the following is not a member of UNSC? UNSC means United Nations Security Council. So the right answer to the 48th question is B, Germany. Coming to the next question, what is the fourth state of matter? solid, liquid, gas, and then what is the fourth state of matter? And the right answer is A, plasma. Plasma is the fourth state of matter. Which of the following is not a part of grouping United for Consensus? This grouping is based on reform on United Nations Security Council. So you have 1 or 2 seconds to answer the question, and the right answer to this question is Brazil. The 51 question is, which of the following festival is associated with Tibetan New Year and celebrated in Ladakh region? So from the given options, the option A, Losar festival, is related to Ladakh region. The 52nd question is, which of the following is the last month of Hindu calendar year? You have 1 or 2 seconds, and then we reveal the answer. So the right answer is Falgun is the last month of Hindu calendar year. If you talk about the first year of Hindu calendar, then it is Chaitra. 53rd question, WHO Global Center for Traditional Medicines launched at which state? And the right answer is option D, Gujarat. Coming to the next question, 54th question. Who was the first law minister of independent India? It is a pretty simple question. Vallabhbhai Patel, Ambedkar, Kripalani, or H.C. Mukherjee? And the right answer to this question is Bhimrao Ambedkar is the first law minister of independent India. Coming to question number 55. Name the building in which Prime Minister's Museum has been inaugurated recently. And it is related with current affairs. So the right answer to the question is B, Teen Murti Bhavan. It is a place where our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru resides, and after his death it is converted into a public property, and now Prime Minister Museum is opened in this building. 56th question said, who is the first Indian cricketer to score 10,000 runs in T20 cricket? So the answer to this question is D, Virat Kohli. The Speaker of Lok Sabha is, you need to know the name of our Speaker or the Speaker of Lok Sabha, and the answer is B, Om Birla. Coming to 58th question, Mangaluru Kambala is the festival associated with which state? And the right answer to this question is B, Karnataka. 59th question, how many new SAINIK schools approved by the Defense Ministry to open in 2022-23 academic year? So you have to tell the number of SAINIK schools approved to be open. And the right answer to this question is no, 21, C option. And the next question is, which of the following temple is situated in Andhra Pradesh? From given options, you have to choose the temple which is in Andhra Pradesh. And the right answer is Venkateshwara Temple. Kamakhya Temple, Brihadeshwar, Jagannath Temple are in different states. 61st question is, who is the first Indian to be inducted as honorary member of International Astronomical Union? So the first Indian who has been inducted as honorary member is option B, Dorje Angchuk. The 62nd question is, which planet is nearest to the sun? And you have to choose the nearest planet to the sun from the given options. It is also a very simple question. So the right answer to this question is 62, B option. 63rd question said, which of the following nuclear plant is wrongly matched with the place it is located? So there are nuclear power plants in our country. You have to match the name of nuclear power plant and the place it is located in, and choose that option which is wrongly matched. Please do find out the nuclear power plants of India, and the right answer for this question is Kakrapar, which is not in Karnataka. Coming to the 64th question, who is the Chief Minister of Nagaland? You should know about our northeastern region, and the right answer to this question is Neifio Rio, option D. 65th question said, who was the first president of Indian National Congress? And the first president of Indian National Congress is W.C. Banerjee or Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee. Option C is right. Coming to the 66th question, which instrument is used to measure suspended particulates suspended in liquid or gas colloid? Which instrument is used to measure suspended particulates which are suspended in liquid or gas colloids? And the right answer is option B, nephelometer. Coming to the 67th question, who was the women president of Indian National Congress? The question will be like this: who was the first women president of Indian National Congress? And the right answer is Annie Besant is the first women president of Indian National Congress. Mudumalai National Park is situated in which state? The question number 68, and the right answer to this question is in Tamil Nadu. Mudumalai is a place in Tamil Nadu and a national park there. Coming to the 69th question, water containing high salt concentration can be purified by? So we have to tell the process by which a high salt concentrated water can be purified. And the right answer to this question is reverse osmosis, the option D. So we are now in the final leg of our mock test. Question number 70, which of the following is non-biodegradable pollutant? And the right answer is option B, DDT is non-biodegradable. Coming to 71st question, which of the following techniques of irrigation should be used to save water? And it is a simple question. Option B, drip irrigation, in which droplets of water are used. It is an irrigation technique which is used to save water. 72nd question, who became the first woman sailor from India to qualify for the Olympics? It is based on current events. If you are following current affairs, then you should know that Netra Kumanan is the right answer, which is option A. Silent Valley National Park is situated in which state? This is also a simple question. And the right answer to this question is A, Kerala. 74th question, the ending point of which river is in Mediterranean Sea? So the region around Mediterranean Sea is in news recently. You should know about the river, and the right answer is option A, Nile. And the last question for today is, Rockies mountain range is situated in which continent? So the right answer to this question is North America, and this is the second mock test which we bring up to you. Hope you find it useful. Please do mention your final score in the comment box. Before leaving, I would like to share some information with you. Defense Officers Academy is conducting online as well as offline classroom programs, and we are also providing hostel facilities to our students. If you are interested and you want to inquire more about it, then please contact in the given numbers. And I would like to say that we will come with another mock test soon, and till then, all the best for your preparation. Please do like the video and join our Telegram and Instagram community. Thank you. Bye-bye.